Life is what you make it. You got to face it. So in life, make the right choice. She feels like the world is on her shoulder, walking around with her baby in a stroller. She should have waited until she was much older before she get pregnant. That is what they told her. Now, just look at her now. Now, just look at her now. Now, just look at her now. Now, her baby carrying a baby, just 13. She's not yet a lady, yet she gets so much man you wouldn't think she was a Navy. Now she have a young youth to raise it. She loves sex but she never worry about the consequences, and she never care about contraceptive. She said her parents was overprotective. She was in a hurry just to get big. She get big man, liquor you, all that she could. Some for the money, some to make her be good. She wasn't in school sometimes when she should be. She was roaming some neighborhood. Now all of that changed when the doctor say should. She called for her father and no one stood. That's when she realized the cop them run gone. Left the hen and the chick in the coop. Now her biggest regret, she never protect herself from passing the pregnancy test. And true she did while no man no want the child. So now she's searching for a really good step. Now, just look at her now. Now, just look at her now. Now, just look at her now. Now, confused and young, abused not done. Wondering where all our friends them done, but them did a stick around for the fun. And that can't happen now that she tied down. She can't sleep at night cause when she lie down, she's thinking of a way to make that income. To take care of the little baby she bring come. Cause the little feet know where the dinner the thing done. Now, imagine if she did just abstain, stay focused and just use her brain. But no, she played up when her parents complain. Say she a move cause down the wrong lane. She would still be in school now, instead of on a corner on a stool now, feeding baby and wiping Jew now. Sometimes life can be cruel now. She feels like the world is on her shoulder, walking around with her baby in a stroller. She should have waited until she was much older before she get pregnant. That is what they told her. Now, just look at her now. 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 Just look at her now. Just look at her now. Now, just look at her now. Just look